Hi, welcome to Woodlogger. Here I want to show you how to make your own DIY supercar type sequential indicator. Let's begin. Here I made several prototype circuit for sequential LED turn signal through breadboard and common board. And these are the components for timing control circuit, so I have attached the circuit in this video. With proper voltage, I made 5 output circuit. These are components for sequential voltage distribution circuit. With proper prototype result, I made a copy of both circuit. For easy understanding, I made a circuit without actual diagram, but I have attached figure with components polarity and diagram. I used common board to assemble all the electronic components by soldering method. For LED output, I extended the connection using wires and made 5 output. And here is the assembled circuit. Next we want to make the turn signal assembly section. For that I used polycarbonate and plexiglass sheets. I used jigsaw power tool to stacked plexiglass and the other with accurate dimensions. Removed outer protection layer from turn signal lens for proper visibility. And this need to shape for more appealing. I trimmed all the edges and then polished and compounded it with 3M perfected. For ease I used drill attached polishing made to polish shaped plexiglass and polycarbonate stacked lens. I made few lines on lens to get more appealing and lighting. The all lens glued on base sheet with slight tilt. For lighting weave. Can use either normal or FMD LED. After assembled all together, I cover base sheet with carbon fiber textured vinyl with help of heat gun. And here it is, the end result. The supercar model sequential turn signal assembly. I hope like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe.